road tripping. So guys, it's so gorgeous out here. I have to say, I'm really bummed that we have to leave California, but at the same time, it's not like we're not going to go visit there and go film there and go do things there in the future. It just makes more financial sense for us to move out to the East Coast. And I love it out here. The lushness, the green, it's a completely different vibe, you know. So silver linings, you know what I mean? Silver linings. Anyway, I better pay attention to the road. I've been driving non-stop for about 3 days now. 4 days. Yeah, sorry, 4 days. Lose track of time. It's pretty crazy, and I can't tell you how different it is out here on the East Coast, especially gas prices. I'm in the Redneck Viper. For those of you who watch the Worthless Whip series, you'll know it's an 8-liter V10. I've been averaging like 7 miles a gallon, something stupid like this. So you bet I've been stopping off at these petrol stations a lot. Let's see how much it's going for over here, actually. Let's see. To be honest, I don't even know where I am right now. How do you check? Guess I'll check on the pump. Sorry. There we go. Look at that. California, read it and weep. It's only $3.93 for Ultra, and they've got 93 instead of 91. But this truck luckily takes 87, so that's only $3.29.99. Sorry for not putting a lot of updates along the way, guys. It's just been, I've been iron butting it. It is, I think, where am I? That's a New Jersey plate. I think, yeah, I should probably be just in Pennsylvania at the moment, actually. About 150 miles out from the destination. C-Milk's waiting for me there. I was planning to do a couple of live streams. I've had such bad reception out here with my phone, though. We'll see. I'm gonna try. I still do want to do a live stream. I'm gonna try maybe tomorrow or the day after, and hopefully be able to give you guys a little bit of an idea of the new place. It's nice to be out on the road again. I got to be honest with you. As we're currently moving our studio to the East Coast, and it's great. It's like a whole new adventure. You know, I've been stuck in California for a long time now. And you kind of just lose track of what a massive country America is and just how much there is to explore. Anyway, Redneck Viper, completely loaded up with junk in the back. You can't really see, but I got all our studio equipment, you know, cameras and lights and all that kind of stuff. Just, we figured it out. It's actually cheaper for us to just take the truck because I can fit so much in the thing. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you guys. I installed these, where is it? These cameras. It's very useful, so you can see if I'm going to hit something on the side. And this new brush guard, and of course, nice new headlights, which are fantastic. Absolutely love them. Man, it's good to be on the road again. Sorry for skipping out on a week with the podcast and everything for those of you who follow it, but it's a worthwhile break. It's really awesome to be out here. Anyway, catch you later. I gotta go fill this thing up and hit the road. Until then, you know the drill as always. Stay awesome.